Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the type of houses. In the previous video we have already learnt about the kacha houses made out of mud and they are not very strong. Then we learnt about the pakka houses made out of bricks, cement and steel. These houses are strong and long lasting. We also learnt about the different type of houses such as the duplex houses, bungalows, apartments and the skyscrapers. So in today's video we will learn about some special houses. So let's begin. Special houses. They are not found everywhere but only in special places. So these special houses are not found everywhere. You will not see them everywhere. They are found in some special places, that is why they are also special. Here's the first picture. Let's find out about this house. They are made of blocks of ice. So as you can see in the picture, these houses are made out of blocks of ice. They are found in places covered with snow throughout the year, such as the Arctic. So these houses are found in the special place. They are found in places which are covered with snow throughout the year. They are known as igloos. So the name of this house is igloo. They are also known as snow house or snow hut. So you can call these houses snow house or snow hut also, but the name is igloo. Here's the next picture. These are houses built on boats. So as you can see in the picture also, these houses are built on a boat. They are mainly found in Kashmir. So in India, you can see such houses in Kashmir. They are called houseboats. So the name of such houses is houseboats. Here is the third picture. These houses are made on poles or sticks. So as you can see in the picture also, these houses are made on poles or sticks. These houses are built in places where it rains a lot. So you will find such houses in places where you get a lot of rainfall. These houses are built for protection from floods. So what is the purpose of building such houses? Such houses protect the people from the water through floods. So if there is a lot of rainfall and there is a flood in that area, the flood water will not enter the house because the houses are made on poles or sticks. They are called stilt houses. So the name of such houses is the stilt house. Now let's learn about the permanent houses. So in the picture you will see a bungalow or any other house which you can see around yourself in your locality. Houses built on one place and cannot be moved to another place. The houses which are built on one place and we cannot move the house from one place to another, we call them permanent houses because they are permanently fixed to one place. The temporary houses. Houses that can be moved from one place to another are called temporary houses. So you will find houses which can be moved from one place to another. Since we can move them, they are not fixed at one place, they are called the temporary houses. We have some examples of the temporary houses. The first is the tents, made out of cloth and are also used while camping. So these tents, they are made out of cloth, and when you go for camping, you can use such houses. It's a temporary house built out of cloth. So in the first picture you will see a tent. We can place such tents anywhere and whenever we want we can just take it out and take it to another place. The next one is the caravans, used by people who keep traveling from one place to another. So the other one is the caravans. Such houses are used by people who keep on traveling from one place to another. And in the picture you will see a house is made on a cart. And wherever the people are traveling, they are taking their house with them. So since it is not fixed at one place and the tent is also not fixed at one place permanently, they are called the temporary houses. Now let's learn about the roofs of the houses. So we have different type of houses, and different type of houses have different types of roofs also. All houses has a roof on top. So every house will have a roof on top. Most houses have flat roofs. So most of the houses, they have a flat roof. Houses on the mountains have a sloping roof. This type of roof helps snow and rain to slide off the roof easily. So since you will find most of the houses, they have a flat roof. But when you go to the mountains, you will find that the houses have a sloping roof. And why do they have such roofs? So that whenever they get rain or snowfall, that water or that snow can slide off the roofs easily. They can fall off the roofs easily. So these are the type of houses which you will see in the mountains. The roof is not flat, they have a sloping roof. Roofs of kacha houses are made of thatch. So you will find the kacha houses and the roofs are again slanting and made out of thatch. They are not made out of any tiles or something. Roofs of pakka houses are made of tiles, cement or wood. So in pakka houses you will find the roofs are made out of cement, tiles or wood. And usually they are flat. So children, I hope you enjoyed learning about the different type of houses, the type of roofs and the special houses. So till we meet next, keep learning and thank you for watching this video.